Hi, today I needed a side dish to go with my salmon and I decided to make some vegetable rice. Let's get started. Okay, here I have a little more than a cup of water that's starting to boil. And I have a half a cup of rice that I washed really well, that I rinsed really well. We're going to add it into this water. It's starting to boil. Stir it a little bit. And I have some vegetable base that I'm using. I'm going to use about, let's call that about a teaspoon and a half. I'm going to get that in. Let that dissolve. Starting to boil now. We're going to turn it down so we'll go to a simmer. You know how rice goes. I'm going to start adding my vegetables in here. I have some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, I have 1 clove of garlic, yellow bell pepper. I have just 1 piece of white mushroom. I have some white onion, some onion, some parsley, fresh. Let's get on in there. I have some chopped canned tomatoes, just a few. I have add some salt, little at a time, remember, so don't add too much. Some pepper, now these are the vegetables that I like. Add the vegetables that you like, and if you like everything I put in, just continue to do it the way that I'm doing it. We're going to stir this up. I'm going to turn it back up again. I want to get that boil up one more time. And then we're going to bring it down one more time. I'm going to taste this. One more time. It's pretty good. See how it's coming back up? That boil, I want to get it up one more time, and then I'm going to bring it down and turn it on to 2, and we're going to cover, and we're going to let it cook till it looks like it's dried out, but not quite. We're going to stir it, turn it off, and cover it again. See, like that. That's pretty good. I'm going to turn this down to a 2. If you don't have any vegetable base, then use some vegetable bouillon cubes. They are really flavorful. They taste real good. And it's a lot less expensive. See how that's come down? Now I'm just going to add my top. We're going to let it go until it dries out. And you have to go in and out to know when that happens. While we're here watching this rice cook slowly, simmer nicely, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell. That would help my channel out so much, and it don't cost you anything. Thanks. Go ahead and fluff it a little bit. Still has a little bit of water at the bottom. Gonna cover it and finish up. Now you can turn it off. Fluff a little bit. There you have the perfect rice. That took about 20-25 minutes. Not long at all. Look how delicious. Let's taste a little bit. Alright, I'm going to plate some of this up. There we go. There you go. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and herb. Mrs. Dash. It's good already, and I haven't really tasted it. I'm going to add a little bit more parsley. And this is dried parsley, I guess you see that, huh? Look at that. Let's taste some more. You taste everything, the bell pepper, tomatoes, garlic, onions, Mrs. Dash. It's going to be great with my salmon. Well, thanks for being here. And remember to pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. I love you. I really do. Later.